my name is Daniil. I'm from Russia, Moscow. I thought about the foreign education, and for me it was very interesting, very perspective. Also, it's a very good opportunity to try to work in foreign countries. I'm in masters in hospitality and tourism management. And also, when I studied in Russia, I studied the same program, but it was the bachelor degree for 4 years. And it's like the next level of my education, my experience in this sphere. I really like professors because they're professionals, and they explain their subjects very clearly. This system is more interesting, and for my opinion it's better than I had in Russia, because in Russia we had like as I said, more theoretically, not practical. And here this is the different situation. Here we have more practical classes than theory. The global goal, I think, is to work for example, in a big chain of hotel, for example, or popular, like big brand or something like this. I think in general it's a really good city. I'm not sure about living for the whole my life here, but it's like, as I said, like experience. Yeah, it's a very nice city. Especially for our course, I mean hospitality and tourism management, we should be very communicative, you should be friendly, and also when you can have a lot of friends here, it's a very good opportunity for you to know a lot of people, to learn something new from them. And also, yes, if you want to stay here, you should know Spanish.